Just finished up the afternoon at the rock slides at Big Crystal Creek. Epic, so cool, so nice. We've got one night here and then cruising over to Little Crystal Creek in the morning. Hopefully some more rock jumps and creek swims. Weather's beautiful, water temp's amazing. Jungle perch everywhere. It's just unbelievable. Right in the rainforest, having a great time. Even Lenny went down the big slide. Hey boy.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah. So he did all the big jumps.
Should have did it all. Nothing you can do.
What's cooking? Good looking.
Tacos. Taquitos.
Ooh, little minis.
Little minis.
Absolutely perfect day today. Down
Big Crystal Creek.
Mexican food, couple beers. What's better? Absolutely perfect day down at Crystal Creek, Big Crystal Creek, Little Crystal Creek, and the rock slides. It was well and truly a highlight of the trip. Doesn't get much better than that for leftovers, let me tell you. How good. I'll give it a critique, eh? Sabrinna has decided to take on the world champion paper scissors rock on who will be the washing person of Lenny. Who will bath him, change his nappy, and put him to bed. She's going in over her head. I keep telling her, you're over your head. Well, let's do it. That's the 3. We're filming it, so we have no qualms. The other way. Famous guy. Ready?
Yeah.
Come in. You're in. Ready?
Scissors, paper, rock. Scissors, paper, rock.
1-0.
Scissors, paper, rock.
2-0. Boards. Reigning champion number 1. Siri's decided to let me pull out another one of her teeth because she thinks the tooth fairy's coming tonight. Oh, faithful Leatherman. They're disinfected. Well, they're not really, but she's pulled heaps of teeth out before. Let's do it. Day number 2 at Ingham. We're off to Wallaman Falls. 6k return hike. That's already stinking hot. So I can only imagine it's going to be a nice, enjoyable swim when we get there. We've just arrived to the Wallaman Falls. It's about a 50k trek from Ingham up the range. Not too bad of a drive really. We're at the top, we're now check out the lookout and then go for a 2k loop walk. Come with, let's go. 3.2 kilometre loop trail down to the Wallaman Falls. But I can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to say it. But it's quite a steep descent, and I'm sure that coming back up is going to be a massive calf burner. Nothing we can't handle. Hey Suri?
Yeah.
We're doing it. Well, we made it down to Wallaman Falls for a swim. It's an absolute mission to get down here. The rocks are like ice. They're so slippery with algae. Water temperature nice and refreshing after that long hike down here. About 3 k's, but absolutely pristine. Well worth it. Definitely would recommend to come and see this. Biggest waterfall constantly running in Australia. I'm pretty sure that's right. Absolutely stunning. Check it out one last time. So we've just had a nice lunch and a lovely swim down the bottom of Wallaman Falls. We're now about halfway through our 1.5k trek up the hill. My God, it's steep. You know when you like start an adventure, you're all like real pumped and excited to get there and to check it out. So you just like motor on up or motor down. We absolutely flew down, had a swim, had lunch, enjoyed it, and now we're on the mission back up. I am burning.
Are you burning? Are you burning?
Probably roughly 20 kilos on my back.
You're a soldier.
Let's do it. Like if I can say anything, 5 o'clock rolls around pretty fast, I tell you, especially when you're trying to get a super cheap auto, Repco, Ingham fasteners, Ingham, what's the name of that joint? Bloody, what's the name of that joint? Ingham Agencies. Thank you, thanks for helping us out. But Jesus Christ, we broke the pin off the jockey wheel. This little roll pin goes through there, holds that on. What a dilemma. I think that'd be pretty common to get. A 5/16 inch and a quarter.
We first tried to get a new jockey wheel.
Just try to get a whole new jockey wheel. That's even a mission in itself. Bloody hell. Hey, we're back on, we're rolling. Cardwell tonight, I don't think so, but we're gonna give it a red hot crack. So it's just coming on to dusk and we're pulling into camp, which is not ideal. We've just been in the car for about a good hour and a half from Ingham up to Murray Falls. We're going to get in here about 6:30 p.m. so we'll set up camp, spend the night. Not that we really have much to set up, it's more or less just pull up and get in the van. It's not ideal what we're doing right now. Kids are over it, we're over it.
That was a hiccup.
It was a hiccup, but hey, what happens happens. This is the way it goes sometimes. We'll see you tomorrow. You. Good morning, guys, and we are back. Murray Falls. Another day, another waterfall. It's only a short little walk, nice little camp. Busy as, packed out with everybody. Let's go. Come on, bud. That is a sweet trail. Look at him go. Yeah. We've just arrived at Hinchinbrook Island. We're just going to go check out Zoe Bay and the Zoe Bay Falls. Epic little drive across from Lucinda. Put the boat in about an hour ago and just had glass the whole way. It was just absolutely perfect. So we're going to cruise up to the waterfalls and check it out, have a swim, cool down, maybe have some lunch and see what the afternoon brings. Hopefully a few fish. Extreme hiking on Hinchinbrook Island. Little Lenny, free ride. I bet you the camera's not doing this any justice, but this is almost vertical. But at the top, apparently there's a nice reward. Big infinity pools looking out over the island and back out towards the mainland. So hopefully we're in for a nice treat.
It's a beautiful view up here.
Just spent the entire day up here at the Zoe Falls on Hinchinbrook Island. We've made the trek all the way up to the infinity pools, and I can't express how beautiful this view is and how perfect this day is.
Absolutely stellar day, hey Lele.
Just pulled in, pulled the tinnie up at Lucinda, back at Lucinda, after spending the whole day out there at Hinchinbrook Island. The Zoe Falls and the hike up to the infinity pools at the top was just something else. Really worth a great day. I did say that we weren't going to do any fishing on the way back, but I lied. Ended up flicking some lures along the rocks on the way back in. Pulled in about half a dozen undersized cod, which was still better than, even if I don't catch a keeper, I still just love catching fish. So it was all too easy, and then right on the last one, snagged it, lost my favourite lure. Should have listened to Sabrinna and said let's get in before dark, but I can't hold that against her, and I can't hold it against myself. So we've got the van down here. Awesome facilities down here at Lucinda boat ramp. We've got free boat wash and boat cleanup facilities. We're not going to camp here. It looks like you could comfortably camp here with no problems, but and there's no sign that says you're not, but we're not going to. So we're just going to cook tea before the sun goes down, let the boat dry off a little bit, and then hit it with some salty captain and finish off the day. Pack it all up. We're tomorrow at Wallaman Falls, so stick with us on that. Another big day of hiking, waterfalls. It's really starting to become another day, another waterfall on this trip for the last week, but who can complain about spending time in nice beautiful waterfalls? See you tomorrow.